Welcome to AI Assembled, the top AI news for small business. I'm Chris Doelle, and each week I bring you the most important AI developments that can transform your business. Let's dive into this week's top stories.
Let's start with our first story. Intuit just announced a massive $100 million partnership with OpenAI that's going to change how small businesses handle their finances. This deal integrates TurboTax, QuickBooks, Credit Karma, and MailChimp directly into ChatGPT. That means you'll be able to manage your taxes, business finances, credit monitoring, and email marketing all through natural conversation with ChatGPT. Imagine asking ChatGPT to prepare your quarterly taxes or reconcile your books, and it actually does it by connecting to your QuickBooks account. This represents one of the largest enterprise adoptions of generative AI for small businesses, and it's positioning ChatGPT as your central hub for financial management. Our second story comes from fresh data released this week by ASUS. Their survey of over 100 small and medium business leaders shows that 33% are already seeing tangible benefits from AI tools they're using right now. But here's what's even more interesting. Another 47% expect to see positive results in the next 1 to 2 years. That means 80% of SMBs are either benefiting now or will be soon. The survey also revealed that 86% of business leaders say IT resources are more essential now than a decade ago. The top challenge? Managing data security and compliance as AI gets integrated into more workflows. The holiday season is exposing which businesses have the right IT infrastructure, and AI is emerging as a strategic ally for those who've invested properly. And our third story is about AI as a competitive equalizer. René Lacerte, the CEO of Bill, shared an interesting analogy this week. He says AI is like a drone that lets small businesses fly over all the traditional potholes and inefficiencies that used to slow them down. Instead of patching problems one by one, AI lets SMBs leapfrog straight to solutions that used to only be available to large corporations. He's seeing AI compress innovation cycles and democratize tools across Main Street businesses. His vision for the future? A nearly touchless financial operations platform where workflows manage themselves, freeing business owners to focus on creativity and growth rather than administrative tasks. He believes we're 1 to 2 years away from this becoming reality for most small businesses.
That's it for this week's AI Assembled, the top AI news for small business. If you found this valuable, share it with a fellow business owner. If you want a hands-on group that you can work with on your specific AI needs, consider joining Business Success Academy at freshmediaworks.com/BSA. Until next week, keep innovating and keep it real.